Thank you, Vittoria, for sending us a really good question on Instagram. What happens if something falls on the robot and covers the cameras or other sensors? So, what could cover the robot's sensors? It could be a piece of a broken cardboard box, or it could be paper used for packaging. But the likely scenario is there would be shrink wrap, the plastic that's used to secure the load on a pallet. That sort of plastic film is really thin, and it can easily tear and present a hazard in warehouses. For example, a person driving a forklift or a pallet jack may not always be able to see the plastic foil dragging on the ground from the pallet. Gideon robots, on the other hand, they don't have blind spots, with sensors covering 360 degrees around them. Both Gideon's cameras and LiDAR sensors can sense the plastic or anything else that's covering them. In any case, if something like this does happen and something falls on the robot and covers the sensors, it will cause an immediate stop. The robot will signal for help, and once somebody comes along and helps it and removes whatever it is that's obstructing its view, the robot will be able to continue work.